Thank you, viewers. I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. In our math class today, we shall be having Olympiad math question. In the question we are given 5 to the power x is equal to 0.5 to the power y, and it is equal to 1000. The question is requested that we should find 1 all over x minus 1 all over y. Beautiful. If I give you x equal to y, then equal to 6, what it means is that x is equal to 6 and also y is equal to 6. Watch this video till the end, and I believe you learned something. Remember to subscribe if it is your first time stopping by. Therefore, applying this knowledge to this, I will have 5 to the power x equal to 1000, and also 0.5 to the power y is equal to 1000. So by this, I have applied this knowledge. But then, let this be equation 1, and let this be equation 2. What I will do, I will apply logarithm to both sides in order to achieve my purpose. And from equation 1, I will apply logarithm both to the right and to the left hand side. But I want you also to see that 1000 is equal to 10 times 10 times 10. That is 10 to the power 3 is 1000. I will represent my 1000 as 10 to the power 3 so that everything will be in index form, both the right hand side and the left hand side. So applying the logarithm to both sides, I shall have log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of 10 to the power 3. Law of logarithms. If I have the logarithm of x to the power n, it is equal to n, then log of x. This law of logarithms, I shall apply it here, and I will have x log 5 is equal to 3 log 10. Also, when a logarithm is given to you, maybe log 10 without a base, it is in the natural base, and that is base 10. So a log without a base is in the natural base, and that base is base 10. So you can see it as base 10 as log 10 10. But then we say in laws of logarithm that the logarithm of a number to its own base is equal to 1. That is, log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. So if we now agree that this that has no base has a natural base which is base 10, it applies that we have log 10 10, which is going to give us 1, that the logarithm of its own base is 1. So I can now write x log 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by 1, that is log 10 10. That is x log 5 is equal to 3. The next thing I will do is to divide both sides by logarithm of 5. That means I shall have log of, okay, let's put it this way, x log 5 over log 5 is equal to 3 all over log 5. So that this will cancel this to leave me with x equal to 3 all over log 5. Still remember, we are in equation 1 out of the 2 equations that we have. So, but then, if you look very well, you will notice that what we are given here is 1 all over x. But if I give you x, it implies x all over 1. For me to make it 1 over x, it means I will take the reciprocal of x. I will take the inverse of x. I will flip x upside down. That means I will move 1 to the numerator and move x to the denominator so that it becomes 1 all over x. And that implies if I do it to the left hand side, I will also do it to the right hand side. Now I can now write my x as 1 all over x, and from the right hand side I will flip it to get log 5 all over 3. This now has given me my 1 all over x here. I will go into the equation 2. From there, I will still get my 1 all over y, and I will do the subtraction to get my final answer. Therefore, from equation 2, where I have that 0.5 to power y is equal to 1000, we have already said that 1000 is the same thing as 10 to power 3. So applying logarithm to both sides, I shall now write my equation 2 as log of 0.5 to power y is equal to to power y is equal to 10 to power 3. Now, log of 10 to power 3. Beautiful. That is, I've applied logarithm to both sides. What then? I will apply the same thing I did here, which is the log to power 3, which is going to give me 3 log 10. Okay, this is now going to be y to log 0.5 is equal to 3 to log 10. I have applied the power function of logarithm. That is the power law. Remember I said that the log of x to power n is equal to n to the log of x. That is what I have done here. Next, we did here that log 3 log 10 is 3 times 1 because my log 10 is in natural base. Meaning that here will be 3 multiplied by 1, giving me y to log of 0.5 equal to 3. Next, I will divide both sides by logarithm of 0.5. That is now going to give me, if I divide both sides, I will have, let's put it here. Okay, here is okay. Y log 0.5, okay, divided by log of 0.5 is equal to 3 all over log of 0.5. So this now will cancel out to give me y left by the left hand side, which is equal to 3 all over log to 0.5. But then, I'll do the same thing I did here, because what I'm given is 1 over y. I will find the reciprocal of y, and find the reciprocal of what I have by the right hand side. That is going to give me 1 all over y equal to the log of 0.5 all over y, all over 3. This also is very important to me. I have gotten 1 over y. I have gotten 1 over x. This is my 1 over x. This is my 1 over y. Therefore, from what I am asked to find, which is 1 all over x minus 1 all over y, I can now write it as my 1 over x is written as log 5 over 3, then minus my 1 over y is log 0.5 all over 3. If I work on this, they have like fractions. The denominators are the same. Therefore, I can write it as log of 5 minus log of 0.5 all divided by 3. Looking at this, I want you to know that log 0.5 can be written as log of 5 over 10. That is putting 0.5 as a fraction. But there is division law of logarithms that says if I have log x all over y, that it is equal to the log of x minus the log of y. So, if my log 0.5 is written as log of 5 over 10, it means I can write my log 0.5 as log of 5 minus log of 10. That is what I will apply next here. So I shall now have log of 5 minus log of 5 over 10, everything divided by 3, which now will now be log of 5 minus log into the bracket of 5 minus log of 10, everything divided by 3. Opening the brackets, I will now have log of 5 multiplied into the bracket. I have log 5, then minus times minus will give me plus log of 10 all over 3. You can agree with me that this and this will cancel out. That is log 5 minus log 5, and I will be left with the log of 10 all over 3. But I have already told us here that the log of 10 has a natural base, which is 2 base 10, and it is equal to 1. I can now write therefore that log 10 is 1 all over 3. In conclusion, all this is evaluation of 1 over x minus 1 over y, which now means that from the question I am asked to find that 1 all over x minus 1 all over y is equal to 1 all over 3. This is our final answer. So the answer to our question is 1 all over 3. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.
Nambu, agwara m mmadụ sị